Good afternoon, everyone. My name is $Әнвәр. Today I would like to give a testimony for my classmate and my friend ئەكرەم مەمەت, who was killed in Chinese concentration camp. ئەكرەم and me were classmates from 2005 to 2010 at Central University for Nationalities in Beijing. He was one of the best students in our class. After graduation, he went to Turkey to study in higher education from 2012 to 2016. In 2016, he achieved a master's degree from Ankara University in Turkey. Then he went back to his own homeland and he became a teacher in high school. But in 2018, he was arrested and sent to so-called re-education camps. In 2019, he was dead in that camp, that concentration camp. I feel very sorry about him, and I stand for him because he is my classmate. He was innocent, pure, nice person. I'd like to ask human rights organizations and all the world leaders who values human rights to ask China about his case and stop China from killing Uyghur people. Thank you.